Hey, this is Leo B. Moore, and I wanted to come to you guys with a new product that I'm using. Of course, you guys know that I'm using my microphone, the Pixel Wireless Lavalier microphone, and I just picked up a new product. It is the Switty, I think that's how it's pronounced, Switty, and it is the professional video light. And one of the reasons I'm super excited about it is because it is going to take my yoga videos to the next level. Of course, I've explained before that I'm a registered yoga teacher and I'll start posting videos soon. I'm excited about that. So, on to this light. I got it on Amazon once again. And the reason I like this light is because it has so many things you can do to adjust it. So what I will do is get back to you all in just a second once I set up all these lights. Be back 1 second. I just want to show you. It has this cute little carrying case, if you can see that. And everything was just organized so nicely. It's two lights and it has two individual boxes where it can go up to 72 inches. So see that, where you can hold your lights. I'm going to go set it up and then I'll be back with you and show you how it works. Hey guys, I'm back. This is my little yoga area and I'm going to put the light. Let me see if you can, let me adjust it. Hold on 1 second. Let me back this up and adjust it so you can see the full area. And with this RGB professional video light, it has aluminum body and it has 360 color gamut and 100 saturation levels, which are adjustable. And it has different light effects, and it also has a live broadcast video, interview, portrait, wedding, micro shooting, and it also is wireless. That's the cool part. But let me tell you, sorry, let me adjust it right here. But let me tell you, one of the cons is that it doesn't come with the batteries. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing it. You'll have to purchase batteries. Let me move this up a little bit so you can see. Excuse me, I don't mean to be all in my face. But this is just one of the lights that I just set up. It's a very easy and quick setup. I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna move it back. So you can change the color saturations. You can also change the gamut and the channels. And you can change the lighting. So you can change the mood too. The mode, not mood. You see that? See it's flashing? See, this is a flashing mode. You see that? And you can increase the brightness. So let me change the colors. See that? You see how it's changing from red, orange, yellow, green, blue? Oh, yeah, that's showing up nicely. Can you see that? So it has a full color spectrum that looks absolutely beautiful. And one of the things, because I'm a Leo and I am super extra, so I teach yoga and do yoga videos on the chakras. And so I can change the light according to the chakra. That's so dope, isn't it? So I'm going to put the link in the bio, and I want you guys to pick it up because it is going to take my videos to the next level. So hope to see you guys soon. Bye.